Accounting automation versus expense tracking platforms. Which one is better for finance teams? Most people get this wrong by assuming that tracking expenses is enough for financial efficiency. The surprising truth is that accounting automation and expense tracking platforms serve very different purposes, and understanding their roles can transform how finance teams operate. Expense tracking platforms, like Expensivy or Concur, focus on capturing and categorizing employee spending. They simplify reimbursements, monitor budgets, and provide visibility into where money is going. For example, a company can quickly see which department is overspending on travel or supplies. While these tools save time on manual entry, they often stop short of integrating the data into broader accounting processes. Accounting automation, on the other hand, is designed to streamline the full finance workflow. Platforms like QuickBooks Online Advanced, Xero, or Sage Intacct handle invoicing, reconciliations, payroll integration, and reporting automatically. A finance team can generate real-time financial statements, identify anomalies, and close the books faster without manual effort. For instance, a mid-sized business can reconcile hundreds of transactions in minutes instead of days, freeing up staff to focus on strategic decisions. The key difference is depth versus scope. Expense tracking gives visibility into spending, while accounting automation manages end-to-end financial operations. Most organizations benefit from combining both, expense tracking for granular control and automation to ensure efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. The takeaway is simple: if your finance team primarily needs visibility into spending patterns, expense tracking platforms are the better choice. If the goal is to streamline entire financial operations, reduce manual tasks, and improve accuracy across invoicing, reconciliations, and reporting, accounting automation is a clear winner. The surprising truth is that using both together creates a finance ecosystem where teams gain transparency, efficiency, and actionable insights, ultimately saving time and supporting smarter business decisions.